So this is my comparison between these industrial and indestructible disc. Indestructibledisc.com. Seen it on Facebook. Figured I'd give it a shot. Been running it for a little bit now. This is a brand new one. You can tell no use. And this is a brand new Harbor Freight Power cutoff wheel. So I'm trying to make this of that. You guys can see. Yeah. So as you can see, both I was putting pressure down both of them. This blade actually, or this one actually jumped up on me. You can tell, like, this one way faster and way deeper than this. So that's one thing I've noticed, is they're not as fast, and actually not even just not as fast, they're very, very slow compared to the regular discs. And then, like, all this material, so this is all diamond, I assume, very, very quickly. Let's see that blade actually. Yeah, very quickly that stuff gets flaked off, and that's what gives these discs their cutting ability, or like that's what makes them work. One thing I do like about them though is you can sand and you can cut, but I don't personally think they replace your standard cutting wheel. I can't remember how, like, these are pretty cheap, just Harbor Freight, and I think I got four of these and then one for free for like $56. I just think I'm not super impressed with them, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, I guess.